iOS 26 introduces a revolutionary feature called live translation within the Messages app. This allows real-time translation of messages, making communication across language barriers seamless and effortless. With live translation, messages are translated instantly as you chat, showing both the original text and the translation for clarity. This feature is particularly useful for international conversations, business communications, or connecting with friends and family who speak different languages. One of the key benefits is real-time processing, which means translations happen instantly without delays. The feature also supports both incoming and outgoing messages, ensuring smooth two-way communication. Privacy is a top priority with live translation. All translations are processed directly on your device using advanced neural language models, meaning your message content never leaves your iPhone. This on-device processing ensures your conversations remain private and secure. The feature is easily accessed within your message threads. Once enabled, it automatically detects languages and translates messages in real time. You can toggle translations per conversation and even manually translate specific messages if needed. Currently, live translation supports 9 languages: Chinese Simplified, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese Brazil, and Spanish Spain. The feature works both online and offline after downloading the necessary language packs, making it reliable even when you're traveling or have limited connectivity. To use live translation in messages, start by opening the Messages app on your iPhone. Next, select a conversation with someone who speaks a different language. Tap the contact or group name at the top of the conversation to open the details. In the Details view, toggle on Automatically Translate to enable the feature. Choose the Translate from and Translate to languages from the available options. If prompted, download the necessary language packs for offline translation capability. Messages will now display in both the original language and the translation below it. To customize the view, tap the Translating tab and choose to show both languages, only translations, or disable it temporarily. For manual translation, select a message and choose Translate from the menu options. Available languages include Chinese, English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish. Settings can be adjusted per conversation.